Hello children, nice to meet you again in your maths class. Let us see the continuation of the previous class, okay? In exercise 1.2, the seventh question, add the sum of minus 57 and minus 13 to the sum of minus 110 and 46, okay? Listen children, again, you see the question, add the sum of minus 57 and minus 13 to the sum of minus 110 and 46. Okay. So, add the sum of, okay, sum of minus 57 and minus 13 to the sum of minus 110 and 46. Here two cases is there. Yes or no? First one, to find the value of sum of minus 57 and minus 13. Next, to find the value of sum of minus 110 and 46. Then after, third case, add these two answer. Yes or no children? Yes. முதல்ல இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரோட அடிஷன் இதோட சம்மையும் கண்டுபிடிச்சு என்ன செய்யணும் ஆட் பண்ணணும் இதான் இந்த क्वेश्चनோட மீனிங் ஓகே சோ first to find what say sum of minus 57 and minus 13 sum of minus 57 and minus 13 means we have to add yes or no yes so to find minus 57 plus minus 13 yes or no children yes so therefore first to find minus 57 plus minus 13 okay don't write listen okay children now what is the value of minus 57 plus minus 13 say the answer you see this is the addition so having same signs so if we have same sign means we can add and put the same sign yes or no so 57 plus 13 7 plus 3 10 1 carry 5 plus 1 6 6 plus 1 70 okay so therefore your answer is 70 what is the sign same sign only will come yes or no so minus 57 minus 13 so your answer is minus 70 okay next to find so, next to find, what is the value? Minus 110 plus 46. Is there no? First to find the sum of minus 57 and minus 13. The value is minus 70. So, next one is find the value of sum of minus 110 and 46. That's why next to find minus 110 plus 46. Okay. So, minus 110 plus 46. What is the answer? You see here, this is a negative integer, this is a positive integers. Yes or no? Yes. So, if the integers have the opposite signs, that is, one is negative and another is positive. Yes or no? So, we find the difference and assign the greater value sign. Yes or no children? Yes. So, that's why first to find the difference. Difference means you always find greater number to subtract from greater number to smaller number. Okay. So here is greater number is 110. Smaller number is 46. So you subtract from greater number to smaller number. So that's why minus 110 minus 46. What is the answer? 10. That is you borrow. That is 0. Okay. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Then again. So, 10 minus 4 is 6. So, your answer is 64. Okay. So, 64. Now, what sign? Minus. Why? The greater number is 110. That's why your answer is minus 64. Okay, children. Now, clear? Yes. Then next step. What is the next step? Yes. We have to add these both answer. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Add the sum of minus 57 and minus 13. So, the value is minus 70 to the sum of minus 110 and 46. The value is minus 64. Therefore, final answer, the sum of Sum of minus 70 to minus 64. Okay. Is there no children? Yes. Do you understand? Yes. So therefore minus 70 plus minus 64. What is the answer? Same sign. Negative integer. Here also negative integers. So if the integers have the same sign, we add their absolute value and assign the same sign to the answer. Yes sir? Yes children? Yes. So minus 70 plus minus 64 is equal to, first we add their absolute value. So 70 plus 64. What is the answer? 0 plus 4, 4. 7 plus 6, 13. Okay. So therefore your answer is 134. Which sign will come? Minus. Why minus? Here both integers having negative sign. So that's why your answer is minus 134. Now clear? One more time I will explain. Add the sum of minus 57 and minus 13 to the sum of minus 110 and 46. Okay. So here you see the question. Add the sum of, okay, so that's why first to find the value of sum of minus 57 and minus 13 and to find the value of sum of minus 110 and 46. Okay, so that's why first to find the value sum mean addition. Okay, that's why minus 57 plus minus 13. So what is the answer? Minus 57 plus minus 13 is equal to, here if the integers having same sign, so we add their absolute values and put the same signs. That's why 57 plus 13 is equal to, your answer is 70. Here this sign is minus. So that's why your answer is minus 70. Okay children? Yes. Now next to find minus 110 plus 46. Okay. So minus 110 plus 46 is equal to, here if the integers having opposite signs, so we find the difference and put the greater value sign. Okay. So 110 minus 46 is equal to, your answer is 64. Okay. With 64, that is minus. So the greater value sign is minus. So that's why your answer is minus 64. Now the final answer. What is the question? Add. Okay. So therefore sum of minus 70. This question answer, that is, this is answer is minus 70 and this answer is minus 64. That's why minus 72 minus 64 is equal to minus 70 plus minus 64. Why? Sum of, here is asked sum. Sum means that is addition operation. Okay. So that's why minus 70 plus minus 64. Here if the integers having same signs. Okay. So that's why we add their absolute value and assign the same sign. Okay. So that's why 70 plus 64 is equal to, your answer is 134. Your sign is minus. So that's why the final answer minus 134. Okay children, do you understand? Yes. Now you take your classwork note. I hope you have completed the classwork and homework. Yes or no children? Yes. So my children are very nice children. Yes? Okay. Now you take your max homework note and write today's day and date. Okay. Today's day and date, and you write exercise 1.2 7th question. You write the question and now you copy you from the board. Okay. Right. Rough work do in your pencil. Okay. Rough work, this is a rough work only. So you write in the corner of your note, write with pencil. Okay children. Write fast. Write without mistakes. Okay children. So signs are there. So you write carefully and neatly. Sorry, the will come, okay? Add the sum of minus 57 and minus 13 to the sum of minus 110 and 46. Write it fast. I hope you have written the 7th question, the next question. Let us start the next question. The question is, in exercise 1.2, 8th question, okay? 8th one. In exercise 1.2, 8th question, the question is, subtract the sum of minus 23 and 54 from the sum of minus 11, minus 13 and minus 21. Okay, this also same question type, that is question number 7, same type of question. So subtract the sum of, listen children, subtract the sum of minus 23 and 54, okay. So first to find sum of minus 23 and 54, next from the sum of minus 11, minus 13 and minus 21. Yes children? Yes. இதோட addition, இதோட சம்மையும் கண்டுபிடிச்சு என்ன செய்யணும்? இதில் இருந்து அதை sub பண்ணணும். Why? From, the word is coming, from, okay. So that's why to find the value of this answer minus this answer. Okay children? Now clear? Yes. So that's why first to find the value of sum of minus 23 and 54. Okay. So first to find sum of minus 23 and 54. So that's why minus 23 plus 54. Is it correct? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Here is asked sum of minus 23 and 54. Sum of minus 23 and 54 means minus 23 plus 54. Sum means that we have to add. Okay children? Yes. So now you find the value. Minus 23 plus 54 is equal to, say the answer. Here is one is negative sign and another integer is positive sign. Okay. So the integers having opposite sign. So we can find the difference. Okay. So Now you find the difference. 54 minus 23. What is the answer? 54 minus 23. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 5 minus 2 is equal to answer is 3. 31. So your answer is 31. What is the sign? Plus only. Why? Here is greater number sign is plus. That's why your answer is plus 31. Okay children? Yes. So next to find the sum of minus 11, minus 13 and minus 21. So the sum means addition. Okay, we have to add these both these integers. 3 integers are given. So we have to add 3 integers. So minus 11 plus minus 13 plus minus 21. Okay, clear? Yes. So now you find the value. Minus 11 plus minus 13 plus minus 21 is equal to, first to find this answer, okay? These 2 integers answer. First you have to add to these 2 integers. Minus 11 plus minus 13. That integers have same sign. So we add, yes or no? We add their absolute values. So 11 plus 13, your answer is 24. Yes or no? 24. What 24? Minus 24. Correct? Plus minus 21. Yes or no children? Gavani, 3 integers kuduthirukanga. So நம்ம 3 integers ஐயும் add பண்ணணும். So 3 integers add பண்ணணும். So first இந்த 2 integers ஐயும் நம்ம add பண்ணி answer கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். என்ன answer நம்மளுக்கு? Minus 24 plus minus 21. Okay children? Yes. Now we add. Here also same sign. So we add their absolute value. So that's why your answer is 24 plus 21. Your answer is 45. But here is minus sign. Both integers having. So that's why your answer is minus 45. So the answer of minus 11 plus minus 13 plus minus 21 is equal to minus 45. Okay children? Yes. The finally, what do you find? Subtract the sum of. Okay. So that's why subtract 31 from minus 45. Okay children? Therefore, subtract the sum of minus 23 and 54. What is the value? 31. Okay. 31 from the sum of minus 11, minus 13 and minus 21. What is the value of sum of minus 11, minus 13 and minus 21? Your answer is minus 45. Okay. So this is the final answer, final question. That is subtract 31 from. 31 is the value of minus 23 plus 54. Minus 45 is the value of minus 11 plus minus 13 plus minus 21. Okay. Now what is the answer? Subtract 31 from minus 45 can be written as minus 45 minus 31. Yes or no? Yes. Why? 31 from minus 45. Minus 45 la irundhu 31 na sub பண்ணனும். From, okay, minus 45 from idhula irundhu 31 na sub பண்ணனும். Okay, that's why minus 45 minus 31. Okay children? Yes. Now say the answer. Here which operation is there? Subtraction. Okay, so subtraction means you convert to addition. Yes or no? Yes. So minus 45 minus into plus. That time you put the additive inverse of 31. Okay. So what is the additive inverse of 31? Minus 31. Clear? Yes. Now what is the answer? Minus 45 plus minus 37. Having same sign. So we add the absolute values. So the answer is 45 plus 31, 76. What 76? Minus 76. Why minus 76? The integers having same minus sign. So that's why your answer is minus 76. Clear children? Yes. One more time. The question is subtract the sum of minus 23 and 54. from the sum of minus 11, comma, minus 13 and minus 21. Okay, so that's why first to find minus 23 plus 54. Why you to find minus 23 plus 54? Here is asked sum, okay, so that's why minus 23 plus 54. So therefore your value of minus 23 plus 54 is equal to 31. Here is negative sign, this is the positive sign, so that's why we find the difference and put the greater number sign. Okay, so 54 minus 23 is equal to, your answer is 31. Here is greater number sign is plus, so your answer is plus 31. Okay children? Yes. Next step, what? Next to find minus 11, find the value of the sum of minus 11, minus 13 and minus 21. So that's why you find minus 11 plus minus 13 plus minus 21. Okay, so now you find the answer. Finally we get, what is the answer? We got, what is the answer? Minus 45. Okay children? Yes. Now your question, subtract the sum 31 from the sum of minus 45. That's why subtract 31 from minus 45 is equal to minus 45 minus 31. Here is minus subtraction. So that's why I convert into plus. That time you put the additive inverse of 31. What is the additive inverse of 31? Minus 31. Now you have to add. So that's why your answer is minus 76. Okay children? நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க. ஆட் பண்ணும்போது ஒரே சைனா இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? ஒரே சைனா இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு அதே சைனை போடணும். அதே இது வேறு வேறு சைன் இருந்துச்சுன்னா சப் பண்ணிட்டு பெரிய நம்பரோட சைனை போடணும். இதுதான் அடிஷன். அதே இது சப்ட்ராக்ஷனுக்குள்ளே போகும்போது நீ சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் சைனை ப்ளஸ்ஸாக மாற்ற போகிற. ஸோ ப்ளஸ்ஸை மாற்றும் போது உன்னோட லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய இண்டீஜரோட அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ், தட் இஸ் சாரி ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு. ஓகே, ஸோ சாரி minus 45 minus 31. Your right hand side integer only you put the additive inverse. Okay children? So additive inverse you put, then after we have to add. Okay? Yes. Now you continue the classwork. This is the 8th question. 8th question, okay? Already 7th question is done. Now we write the 8th question. Subtract the sum of minus 23 and 54 from the sum of minus 11, comma, minus 13 and minus 21. Okay children, write it neatly and clearly. Okay. I will check your handwriting also. So you write neatly children. Along with your homework, you have to send your classwork also. Okay. Day itself classwork and homework I need. So you send it. Okay. Write fast. Write neatly children. Okay, the next question. In exercise 1.2, ninth question. Listen children, the ninth question, the product of three integers is minus 110. If two of the integers are 11 and minus 5, find the third integers. Okay, so product of three integers, the final answer is given. What answer? Minus 110. So now you find two integers are given, so you find the third integers. So how will you find? Say, என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் மல்டிப்ளை அப்படிதானா? ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் த்ரீ இன்டீஜர்ஸ், த்ரீ நம்பர்ஸோட மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன், ப்ராடக்ட்னா மல்டிபிள், த்ரீ நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும்? minus 110. பட் டூ இன்டீஜர்ஸ் ஒன்லி given. ஸோ யூ ஃபைண்ட் த another one, third, that is third integer you want to find. Okay, so அப்போ என்ன செய்யலாம்? இதை ரெண்டையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி என்ன செய்யணும்? பொண்ணோட ஆன்சர் minus 110. எஸ் எஸ் சில்ட்ரன், எஸ். அப்போ இதிலிருந்து இந்த ரெண்டோட மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனை நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணால் உனக்கு ஆன்சர் கிடைக்குமா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? எஸ். ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை நெக்ஸ்ட் therefore to find, say that product of three integers is minus 110. த்ரீ நம்பர்ஸை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு ஆன்சர் minus 110 கிடைக்கும். அதே இது ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் என்ன வரும்? அப்போது நம்மளுக்கு minus 55. 11 and minus 5, 11 into minus 5, our answer is minus 55. So minus 110 divided by minus 55. Third integer is come. Yes or no? Yes. So that's why to find minus 110 divided by minus 11 into minus 5. Is there no children? Clear? Another question, the product of three integers, the answer, okay, the final answer. If the two integers are 11 and minus 5, you find the third integer. உன்னோட integer, three integers multiply பண்ணா உனக்கு answer இது. அதே இது ரெண்டு நம்பர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அப்போ இன்னொரு நம்பரை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? இதை ரெண்டையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிவிட்டு இதை இதிலிருந்து டிவைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, எஸ், சேம் ஒன்லி. therefore to find is equal to minus 110 divided by 11 into minus 5. Okay, so now you find the value minus 110 divided by 11 into minus 5. Okay children, now minus 110, this is the bracket inside is there, so that's why first to find bracket inside. Okay, whatever inside there, that's why first to find. So divided 11 into minus 5, what is the answer? First you multiply the sign, here is plus, here is minus, so plus into minus, your answer is minus 11 into 5, 55. Okay, now you divide minus 110 divided by minus 55. Minus minus cancel. 155 is 55 and 2 55s are 110. So that's why your answer is 2. Okay, now you check You want to then multiplication. Product of 3 integer is minus 110 need. Yes. Here is one integer is 11. Another integer is minus 5. Third integer is 2. Okay. Now you multiply 11 into minus 5 into 2. What is the answer? 11 minus 5 are minus 55 into 2 is equal to your answer is minus 110. It's clear? Yes. So therefore your answer is, therefore third integer is equal to 2. Okay children? Yes. Now you write. Write fast. I hope you have written. So, the next question. In exercise 1.2, that is next question, 10th question. Listen children, the question is divide minus 13 by minus 50 and to the quotient and the product of minus 13 and minus 7. Okay. So, now you find the value of, first to find, what is the value? What is the value? Minus 1005 minus 50. Okay. Add to the quotient and the product of minus 13 and minus 7. First to find this, what? Minus 1000 by minus 50. Divide minus 1000 by minus 50 and to the quotient and the product of minus 13 and minus 6. So, first to find what is the value? Minus 1000 divided by minus 50. Yes or no? Yes. So, minus 1000 divided by minus 50 is equal to, this can be written as minus 1000 is divided by minus 50. Minus minus cancel, 0 0 cancel, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 20. So, your answer is 20. Okay, next to find what is the value? The product of minus 13 and minus 7. So, product mean multiplication. Okay. So, minus 13 into minus 7. So, therefore, minus 13 into minus 7 is equal to your answer. Here minus into minus plus 13 sevens are. That is 3 sevens are 21. 2 carry. 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Okay. So, therefore, 13 sevens are 91. Okay. Now, what is the answer? divide, and to the quotient add the product. Sorry, add the, here not is and, add, okay? Okay children, now you see, divide minus 1000 by minus 50, okay? The value is 20 and to the quotient, okay? The quotient is 20, add the product of minus 13, okay? Appo idoda value என்ன செய்யணும் add பண்ணணும், okay? So therefore add பண்ணும்போது என்ன வரும் 20 plus 91, okay? So 20 plus 91 is equal to, your answer is 111. Therefore the answer is 111. Okay children, listen, divide, children listen one more time, I will explain. Divide minus 1000 by minus 50 and to the quotient add the product of minus 13 and minus 7, okay? So that's why first to find, divide minus 1000 by minus 50, okay? So what is the value? 20, okay? So next to find the product of minus 13 and minus 7. So minus 13 and minus 7, what is the value? 91. Now the final answer is 20 plus 91. That's why your answer is 111. Okay children? Yes, right. Copy it in your classwork note. Write neatly children. So your exercise 1.2 sums are completed. Tomorrow I will start the topic rational numbers, okay? So today homework is page number 24. All of you see your book. Your homework is page number 24. Okay. All of you take your book. Page number 24. Page number 24. Revision exercise. Okay. Is there? Yes. So now you see the question number 1. In your question number 1, the homework is first one and second one. Okay children? Okay. In second question, first one and third one. Page number 24. In first question, first and second. In second question, first and third. In third question, first and second. Okay. The questions are very easy. That's a revision exercise. So revision sums only I given. So you find the answer. Okay. Do it yourself. Okay children. Yes. Practice all the sums again and again. That's only good for you. Okay. So we will meet in the next class. Okay. Thank you.